2015 Ford F150. It's got 140,000 miles on it, and you can see the paint on this side is doing the whole peeling off, bubbling. You can see it right there, and this bubble runs all the way down to here like that. And I'm just trying to barely holding it on as long as I can. It's starting here too. No, that's just the body line. But yeah, this whole section already lost. So, and then on the other side, we got a little bit. That's normal wear on the tailgate. This is a little abnormal, but I don't know. That's not really. It's chipping off more normal, I would say. I won't beat them up for that. This is the side that we had the major huge flakes of paint just peeling off on this side. So now it's just been plastic dipped. I just went ahead and did all that just to repaint it. Starting to pull the plastic dip back off to repaint the whole thing one solid color here. But yeah, looks pretty bad. Just big flakes of paint just chipping off. If I can find the video, I'll show you. Terrible. What's Ford gonna do about it? Absolutely nothing, I guess. Here we got yeah, 141,967 is my mileage in 2015 Ford F150. And what's happening to my Ford F150 paint job? Just keeps filling up with water. It just keeps getting worse and worse. I don't get it. It's like it started at the top, and it's only in this panel. As far as I know, this is factory paint too. Yeah, it's just, look at it. The whole, it's coming off like plastic did. Look at that. Absolutely ruined. Probably started like 6 months ago up here. These little spots of paint chipping off. Yeah, here's the small spots of chipped off paint that started it all. Once the water started running in there, it started flaking off. I tried to use a heat gun, and it would make the paint appear to suck back and attach to the surface underneath. But then in just a little bit of time, it would bubble up again and come loose. So I thought a heat gun would solve the problem, but it didn't. This is one of the times when I was trying to just fix the spots, but then as soon as I would repair a spot, which it didn't look great, but at least the paint wasn't all falling off, but as soon as I would repair the spot, it would just spread to another spot, and it spread to another spot, and finally I said heck with it, and I gave up, and I just went ahead like here and just took it all off. Which I'm very limited experience with auto paint, so maybe I did something wrong or could have done more. Let me know. What do you think? Do you think this was a Ford botched paint job? Do you think they should cover it or do something about it? Let me know in the comments. So this truck was a 2015. It lasted about 7 years before the paint started really chipping off and this being an issue. Here we got bubble forming again. You can see right there is the worst, and it runs all the way right there. Got this piece of tape. If the water doesn't get in behind there, it doesn't seem to spread. But once it does, like it did on the other side, it just spreads and spreads and spreads. And it'll take the paint off, really. Started with chips like this right at the top. And that's why this whole side is gone, as you see in the video. But I'm taking the plastic dip off, sanding it all down, and repainting it, I guess, or prime it or something. I don't know. I might just leave it the way it is. I'm a big fan of plastic dip. Look at that mess. This is the cleanest the truck's ever been in a while now.